For any triangle ABC, show that 1 minus tangent of A over 2 multiplied to tangent of B over 2, that's equals to C over S, and that's also equals to 2C divided by A plus B plus C. Okay, let us begin. Now, before starting with the proof, what we'll do, we'll try to understand the terms that are being used here. To begin with, we'll consider a triangle ABC. Now, the sides opposite to angle A, that will be represented by the letter A in lowercase, sides opposite to angle B will be B in lowercase, and the side opposite to angle C will be represented by the letter C in lowercase. Then, if we take the sum of the three sides, now that's going to give us the perimeter of the triangle. Now, if we take half of the perimeter, that's going to give us the semi-perimeter, which is denoted by the letter S in lowercase. Now, we also need to specify the formulas that we'll be using here. So here we have tangent of A over 2, tangent of B over 2. So these are the half angle formulas. So tangent of A over 2, that's given by the square root of S minus B times S minus C divided by S times S minus A. Similarly, we have tangent of B over 2 and tangent of C over 2. So let's start our proof from the first expression. So we have 1 minus tangent of A over 2 multiplied to tangent of B over 2. So here we can use the value for tangent of A over 2 and tangent of B over 2. So this will be equals to 1 minus the square root of S minus B multiplied to S minus C divided by S times S minus A. So this gets multiplied to the square root of S minus A times S minus C whole divided by S multiplied to S minus B. Now combining the two square roots, so we have the square root of S minus A multiplied to S minus B times S minus C squared divided by S squared times S minus A times S minus B. Now here we can factor out S minus A and S minus B from the numerator and the denominator. So this is going to get simplified to give us 1 minus S minus C divided by S. Now when you combine them, we have S minus S plus C divided by S. So here we S and S gets cancelled out. This is going to leave us with C over S. So here we have showed that 1 minus tangent of A over 2 times tangent of B over 2, that's equals to C over S. Now we'll show that it's also the same as 2C over A plus B plus C. Now here, in place of S, we can replace it with A plus B plus C divided by 2. So that means we have 2C divided by A plus B plus C. Therefore, we have successfully showed that 1 minus tangent of A over 2 times tangent of B over 2, that's equals to C over S, which is also equals to 2C over A plus B plus C. Hence proved.